Hello, my name is Juldis Koshpanova. I'm originally from Kazakhstan, but I live in the United Arab Emirates. So it was my pleasure to attend Workplace Happiness Bootcamp. What I learned in the bootcamp is that I learned how to align company values, my personal values, and what I want to bring to my company is to integrate how we live by values. Another thing that I learned is to define the higher purpose for each company, and the higher purpose is basically to align the customer experience. No, it's not about the mission, it's not about the profits that the company is making, because at the end of the day customers really don't care about how much money you make as a company. So it's all about customer experience, to create wow experience so that they will come back to have more business with you. So I really recommend Workplace Happiness Bootcamp. Another part that I really like is networking with people who also want to bring happiness to the workplace. A lot of engagement, a lot of interaction, a lot of funny moments that I will carry with me. So yeah, please come and join another bootcamp, and see you either in Kazakhstan or in United Arab Emirates. Thank you.